Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of this EasySleep white noise machine. I bought this sound machine to help me fall asleep at night, and I also know there's a night light included, so I'd like to use that because I don't like to sleep in total darkness. So let's go ahead and open this up. And by the way, this machine comes in three different colors: white, wood, and this black one. And it looks like this is the charging cable, and here's the power adapter. And I see that there's also a user manual as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual machine. This machine was wrapped in some kind of paper, so that's good. And looks like there are several buttons and settings on the top of the machine, including a continuous play button and alongside the timer settings for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. We also have a power button. We have up and down volume buttons. We have the navigation buttons to play the various soundtracks. And we also have the nightlight button. And of course, we have the speaker as well in the center. And then at the bottom of the machine, we have four tiny little pads so the machine doesn't slide off the table it is sitting on. And on the side, we have the power input. And now let's take a closer look at the user manual. So it looks like there are some pictures and diagrams, but all in black and white. Let's take a closer look at what it says. So there's a list of the package contents, and it looks like I received everything I was supposed to. There are some technical specs about the power, but looks pretty standard. And then we have a product overview whereby they explain what all the different buttons do. And there's a listing of all the different types of noise and steps on how to change the sounds. They even list out all the 25 sounds varying from white noise to nature sounds to lullabies. And then there's some additional steps on how to control the volume, timer, and the light indicators. And then flipping over to the back, we have a description of features of this machine: sound features, memory feature, auto off feature, and night light features. And in case you have any problems with the machine, they even include troubleshooting steps. And there's even a contact email in the warranty section if you have a support question. And that's about it. I'll come back with another video to demo each of the 25 sounds along with the nightlight options.